Hey folks, this is Ben Alaus, and today I'm gonna demonstrate you the Keywords AI MCP server and how you can configure it with your favorite MCP client. In this case, I'm gonna show you, the Claude MCP client. But you can configure it with whatever you prefer in terms of like whether you like Cursor or ChatGPT, and any MCP compatible client can just be configured quite easily. And for those of you who just run into this for the first time, MCP stands for Model Context Protocol, and in a way, it's a different way of integrating with agentic platforms like Claude and ChatGPT. To integrate with some API. In this particular scenario, we'll see how to integrate Keywords AI. So what I've done is that I went to Claude and then I went to my settings, and then basically after showing here, I clicked on Edit Config, and what you have here is all you need is basically to pass in your Keywords AI config. Then you have the command, which is run with Python, and then run server, which is directly a file of my project, like Keywords AI MCP. You'll find the repository down description below. So in case you want to try it out, it's very easy to just clone the repo. So what will this give you after you do the setup is you can directly integrate with any SEO query like keyword research and so on. So let's see. Show me my usage count, and as you'll see here, it should print out the call, which we are making a usage count call in the Keywords AI, and then those are my numbers in terms of AI keyword research, 47 requests, 15 requests on keyword search, and so on. So then I will say that's great. Give me the PAA for, let's say, Nike shoes. So let's see. So that's what it will do now. It will call the people also ask for the Nike shoes and NUS, and then it will give you back the results of what are people asking for the Nike shoes directly from Google SERP. So as you can see here, it shows us both all the data that we get from Keywords AI, exactly as we would have seen it if we called the API call. So now we have these top three PAAs. You can do further analysis, like let's say, great, do keyword research for Nike shoes. So as you can see here, you can completely use an AI agent to run all the utilities of Keywords AI and just use an LLM on top of what you're having with Keywords AI data to further analyze whatever you want. So in this particular scenario, you can even do some sort of like analysis where you can say, okay, depending on the intent of the keyword and depending on the PAA, I want to find a strategy around generating content that is meant for highly trended questions and answers. For instance, like Nike shoes, we see a very high traffic in terms of like monthly searches. It tells you, one thing I love about the agent is that because it's using LLM, it's actually, and of course Claude is very one of the most powerful, it is actually one of the best things in terms of in terms of LLM and quality. And you can see here Nike shoes, Metcon, Nike shoes, cleats. So those are Nike Shocker Nike shoes. So you get key insights, and you basically, it's another way of helping you generate very, very useful content. And generally, you can ask it even more sophisticated questions. Like for instance, you can say, is there any PAA and keyword research opportunity you see within the data so I can generate content. So what this does, and I think this is like a tremendous capability, is that because the LLM is doing, it has a lot of heuristics, it could give you very top insights like best Nike shoes, top priority. It gives you CPC, and directly again, it cannot hallucinate because you have this very important data that you are feeding it from Keywords AI, and you get these very, very good suggestions that are very, very data driven. And you can see here, for instance, like PAA hook, what was the most expensive Nike shoe ever sold, and to the based on the LLM analysis, it shows that this is a tremendous opportunity, and you can find many very, very good and long tail opportunities that can drive a lot of traffic to the website. And this is very, very I guess easy in terms of usage, and hooking up and connecting the MCP client to the MCP server is so easy that I believe you should give it a shot and let me know what you think. I hope you liked it. Thank you.